Express my feelings, start my mind.
Welcome people, welcome back to the channel. Now it's your boy King back in the building. And today I'm here with some
Reggae news. What?
very exciting news. Omari, Hutchinson, the Chelsea player who was on loan at Ipswich Town, arguably the player of the season of the championship. The man there, you people, look at this. The man there, Irie man, right in time, fit the Copa America. Is it that him there for Copa America, or is it that him just there party? Either way, take it, people. Look at the signs. Look at the signs. Look at the timing of all of these players touching down. People, we have to be excited about this. We have to be excited about the possibilities. Because the recent World Cup qualifiers, them we could have seen that we're lacking in that area. We're lacking that creative spark same way. That left-footed killer who can play a number 10. He can play on the right wing. Space there in the team for Omari Hutchinson said way. So if you see the man there Jamaica, if you see the man enjoy himself, if you see the man do this now, tell me say this now look obvious to you. The man ready. The possibility higher because from my research I was told that him don't have him paperwork already. Him no need no paperwork for wait pan again. It's just for him say, yeah, I'm ready to play some ball for the team. You get me? I say, I think the time is now. Nobody know what there. They me had when Copa America are playing, Euros are playing, I watch that on TV. So Omari Hutchinson do the right thing, man, you see me? And it look like him gonna do the right thing, people, because the man there Jamaica in at the right, perfect time. You see me? So man like Omari Hutchinson there, quality pedigree ball upon them sweet left footer people. Wow. This is what the team is lacking. So for no say Omari Hutchinson, the possibility there for there in the Copa squad there. And him there in Jamaica. Wow, people. Look at this. Perfect timing for the squad. You see me? There you have it, people. You know that was a quick fire flash. Just to get an update on what go on. People, do remember to smash the like button. Do remember to subscribe. Just subscribe now, man. And leave in the comment down in the comment section. You don't know, people. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.
Express my feelings, start my mind.